Float is a rooftop bar and pool deck at the Hard Rock Hotel in San Diego, California. The Hard Rock Hotel enlisted FSG to come in and update their old white lighting system to a new RGB LED color-changing lighting system.
With a project like this, the overall goal is to walk into the venue and not notice that anything exists during the day. And then at nighttime, when everything's turned on, it turns and transforms and you get all of the color and the color changing effects without really knowing where it's coming from, but it's existing in there. The head-end control is through a company called Crestron, and they've integrated all the audio, the video, and the lighting into one system. So we tied that in with through an ETC controller to their head-end unit to integrate everything onto one single touchscreen that was pre-existing, and created all the triggers and the shows for the venue. One of the greatest challenges of the job was we were required to do it during operating hours. We paid very close attention to those details throughout the job, as we had to move around to the different spots during the day. Definitely proud to say that we had 0 customer complaints and 0 staff complaints with our presence during open hours. One of the most awesome things about color changing RGB is that you get over 16.7 million options, which gives the customer a full range for branding, or we can even figure out Pantone colors for them and implement those if they need it, if they have a special event. And say if they have breast cancer awareness, we can make it match the Susan B. Komen pink. For Alzheimer's, we can go purple. We can do whatever they like anytime they want.
We at FSG love doing these types of projects. At the end of the project, you can really see how space is transformed by adding color-changing LED lighting. It'll keep your current clientele coming in and entice new ones as well. In the end, that's what these systems are all about.